Hello students, welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to start the graph of trigonometric function y is equal to tan x. So let us see the curve that is y is equal to tan x. The function trigonometric function y is equal to tan x. Now we can find the values of y to the corresponding different values of x. So start from 0, here we can write 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. The next is, after this is pi, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4, and the next is 2 pi. Exactly to the left hand side is negative minus pi by 4 plus minus pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 4 minus pi minus 5 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 4, and this is minus 2 pi. Y is equal to tan x. Okay, so this we can find the values of y to the corresponding different values of x. So we know that tan 0 is 0, tan n pi is equal to 0. So ये तो value 0 आएगी, tan 0 is 0. Why tan 0 is 0? Because sin 0 is 0. If numerator is 0, because tan x is what? Sin x upon cos x. Sin 0, 0. Sin 2 pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, all are 0. Similarly, minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, sin is 0. That's why tan is also 0. So this is 0, this is 0. And here, minus pi 0, minus 2 pi also 0. Because tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. That is the formula for negative angle of tan x. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Now tan pi by 4 1 होता है और tan 90 degree is not defined, which is infinity. Tan 90 means sin 90 upon cos 90. Sin 90 is 1 but cos 90 is 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. We write not defined means what? Infinity. Now we can find 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2 and 7 pi by 4. So let us see the sign. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45 is 135. So 3 pi by 4 is what? 135 degree. Pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus means which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative. Minus tan pi by 4. What will be the value? Minus 1. So this is a minus 1. 1 to infinity. यहाँ पर infinity है, बाद में फिर minus 1 है. Now next is 5 pi by 4. Tan 5 pi by 4. So we can write tan pi plus pi by 4. 180 plus 45, 225 degree. So 5 pi by 4 means 225 degree. 180 plus theta in third quadrant tan is positive, that is tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree is how much? 1. So this is 1. Now 3 pi by 2. Tan of 3 pi by 2, 270 degree. So it is a tan pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2. 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90 means 270 degree. So pi plus pi by 2 in third quadrant tan is positive. So tan pi by 2. 180 plus theta. 2 pi plus pi. 3 pi by 2. Tan 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive. So tan pi by 2. So what is tan pi by 2? It is infinity. It is infinity. Okay. Now tan 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4. 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45 is 315. So 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi, 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. In first quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. And in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So minus tan pi by 4 is minus 1. So this is a minus 1. So this formula is very useful for the negative values, negative angles of tan. So tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1. This is minus infinity. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus infinity. This is plus 1. So these are the different values of y for the corresponding values of x. Now we can draw very easily the graph of trigonometric function y is equal to tan x. Okay, so y is equal to tan x. Actually it is a tangent x. Tangent ko short name is what? Tan. So to draw a graph we have to plot the x-axis and y-axis. This vertical line is y-axis and this horizontal line is x-axis. Okay, so here plus 1 minus 1, this is a plus 1, this is a minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1. Origin is 0. Left hand side all negative values, right hand side all positive value, x-axis and y-axis. So remember, start from pi by 4. So this is pi by 4, then pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4 and 2 pi. Right, exactly to the left hand side, minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4. This is minus pi, minus 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 2. Here is minus 7 pi by 4 and here is minus 2 pi. Okay, so this is sufficient for to draw a graph of y is equal to tan x. So particular scale से उसको लेना है. So tan 0 is 0, tan 0 is 0, tan pi by 4 is plus 1. पहले क्या करेंगे, उससे पहले ये जो माइनस इन्फिनिटी प्लस इन्फिनिटी वेयर द टेंजेंट इज नॉट डिफाइंड. सो वो पॉइंट पे हम क्या करेंगे, साइन पाई बाय 2, सॉरी tan पाई बाय 2, tan pi by 2, tan 3 pi by 2. The curve is not defined. The function is not defined for this value. So this dotted line, first up we have to draw this line because here tan is not defined. Same for pi by 2 here, tan of minus pi by 2, tan of minus 3 pi by 2. This dotted line. Tan x is not defined. Important. This part is very important. Okay. Tan 0 is 0, tan pi by 4 is 1. This is 1. Tan pi by 2 is not defined. Tan 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. Tan pi is 0. Tan 5 pi by 4 is plus 1. tan of minus pi by 4 is minus 1. Tan minus 3 pi by 4. Tan of minus 3 pi by 4 is plus 1. Tan of minus pi is 0. Tan of minus 5 pi by 4 is minus 1. Tan of minus 7 pi by 4 is plus 1. Tan of minus 2 pi is 0. अभी ड्रॉ करना है. ड्रॉ करने की भी एक टेक्निक है. Because minus pi by 2 को infinity, negate to infinity, here is negate, here is minus infinity and here is plus infinity. So here tan of pi by 2 infinity की तरफ जाता है, infinity. So now like this, like this. So this is the graph of y is equal to tan x. So कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन करना पड़ेंगे यहाँ पर, या ऐसा है बिकॉज tan 0 0 है, tan पाई बाय 4 1 है, tan पाई बाय 2 इन्फिनिटी, यहाँ से यहाँ ऐसा इन्फिनिटी की तरफ है, इन्फिनिटी. tan ऑफ पाई इज 0, tan ऑफ 5 पाई बाय 4 इज 0, tan ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 2 इज इन्फिनिटी. नाउ इट इज लाइक दिस, इन्फिनिटी की तरफ. यहाँ पर tan माइनस पाई बाय 2 इज माइनस इन्फिनिटी, it is minus infinity, like this. Okay, so this is the curve of y is equal to tan x. So सबसे important here we have to define the domain. What is range first? Range means the values of y. The values of y, minimum is minus infinity, maximum is plus infinity. So minus infinity to plus infinity, माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी, इसी को हम सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर कहते हैं, सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर. सो हियर रेंज इज आर. आर इज व्हाट? माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी. इसमें सब कुछ आता है, सबसे बड़ी इंटरवल है ये, माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द आर. आर इज अ सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. सो इंपॉर्टेंट डोमेन, ये जो डोमेन है ए बी आर है, ए बी आर है, रियल नंबर है, बट एक्सेप्ट इज व्हाट? समवेयर tan x इज नॉट डिफाइंड. यहां पर tan x डिफाइंड नहीं है. एक्सेप्ट मीन्स माइनस. इट इज अ पाई बाय 2, 1 पाई बाय 2, 3 पाई बाय 2, 5 पाई बाय 2, माइनस 1 पाई बाय 2, माइनस 3 पाई बाय 2, माइनस 5 पाई बाय 2, माइनस 7 पाई बाय 2. इट इज अ ऑड मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई बाय 2. इट इज अ 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 into pi by 2 into pi by 2. Such that n is integer. N is integer. So this is a domain. By using this graph we can very easily understand the important concept, that is domain and range of trigonometric function. So what is actual domain? That domain is the values of x, values of x, and range is what? The values of y. सो y क्या है? इसकी लोएस्ट वैल्यू माइनस इन्फिनिटी है, हाईएस्ट वैल्यू क्या है? प्लस इन्फिनिटी है. सो माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी, और इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट सेट, सबसे लार्जेस्ट इंटरवल है ये, माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी. उसी को हम सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर कहते हैं. सो y इज इक्वल टू tan x, इसका रेंज क्या है? r है, राइट. सो व्हाट अबाउट डोमेन? डोमेन इज वैल्यूज ऑफ x. सो ये भी r ही है. When we are talking about trigonometric functions, so r is angles measured in radian, but for particular y is equal to tan x is not defined some point, some angle. So that is what? 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, plus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, plus 3 pi by 2. These are the odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd means what? 2n minus 1. n की जगह पर 0 रखो, माइनस पाई बाय 2, इनकी जगह 1 रखो, पाई बाय 2, 2 रखो, 4 पाई बाय 2, -2 रखो माइनस 5 बाय 2, -3 रखो -7 पाई बाय 2. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज -3 पाई बाय 2, -5 बाय 2, -7 पाई बाय 2, प्लस पाई बाय 2, प्लस 3 पाई बाय 2, प्लस 5 पाई बाय 2, प्लस 7 पाई बाय 2. Except that point, the function is not defined. So domain is R, except means minus 2n minus 1 into pi by 2, where n is integer. So this is domain and range. So important, this curve is passing through the origin. ये curve कहाँ से पास होता है? Origin से पास होता है. So curve is passing through origin. Curve is passing through origin. दूसरा point, curve is not continuous. It is what? Discontinuous. Curve is not continuous. Not continuous का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Discontinuous. But where? -3 पाई बाय 2, माइनस पाई बाय 2, प्लस पाई बाय 2, प्लस 3 पाई बाय 2, and so on, etc. So these 2 points are very important to for curve y is equal to tan x. That curve is passing through the origin. curve origin से पास होता है. Curve is discontinuous. At what point? -3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, plus pi by 2, plus 3 pi by 2, and so on. And important here, the highest value of y is plus infinity, lowest value is minus infinity. So that is we call what? Range. Okay, domain, range, and these 2 points are very much important for the curve y is equal to tan x. So important अपना third curve भी होगा. ये curve number 3rd था, y is equal to tan x. sin x, cos x, tan x, तीनों भी कर्व हो गए. ओके, so this is sufficient for y is equal to tan x. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel Math Mentor. We'll see next curve y is equal to tan cot x. Okay, so thank you very much.